Hello guys, the title of this is Snowy Day, but the kids have to get to the bunker because of some reasons. So yeah, and I also had a new character with extra slots. So yeah, let's get in. Alert! 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 What a snowstorm! I really gotta pack. Excuse me, guys. Hold on. Oh gosh, I really gotta rush. Get the sunscreen. Phew. Phew. Look up everything. Phew. To get an allergy, a cold. Okay. And that. That. Oh gosh. Oh my god, what? That's the dog. Okay. Put this one in there because this is another one. Milk tree. That's not even. Oh yeah, I forgot. Come on. Kid. Oh no. Oh no. It's mommy yet. Come on. Hold on. Oh, this one will hold that. Okay. Come on. Oopsies. Come on. Come on. Okay. Out the door. Mom gets in the lot right now. Oh, man. Come on. Ah. Can't get the food in. No, not right now. I was such in a rush. Come on. Coming. Wait for me. Oh my gosh. We're finally here. Come on here. I'm gonna take a nap. Me too. Ugh. Okay then, I guess I'll be the one to unpack. Like always. Hold on guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys.
Abo yung squishy mo. Pag nalason dyan si Sansan,
Don't squishy.
ano nga squishy pang kulay?
Okay. It's about Mia's closet. And my melody. And a little plush toy. Plush toy for clothes. The phone. This banana beat to do. And I'll just keep fixing randomly. This is Alicia's. I'm gonna bring all of the things right here. Please. I can bring anything else to the mom's room. Okay. Okay. 360. Okay, finally. Ah, I'm a bit hungry. I'm a bit hungry. I'm a little bit hungry. I'm gonna sneak into Alia's room. Okay, three, two, six. You guys go to the kitchen. No, I don't want to waste the supply. I can take a bath. Hi. Bubble bath. Ah, finally. Ugh. One, two. I can't do anything. Hug. I can't. Hug. Hug. That's a bit weird, guys. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna. Mama, what? Can I have the phone? With me. There. Ah. Here is everyone. Oh, did they die? Okay. Come on. Hello, Amanda. Mom, sis. Oh, dear goodness. Come on, Alice. It's okay. Now I'm taking up another room. The dogs can go with me. Okay. Oh, finally, I managed to find them. No, Charm. You stay here with us. We can't let you die. over him. This looks like a bunker. It is a bunker mansion. I hope somebody can help me. Hello? Huh? Who's that? Okay. No, okay. Huh? Hello, can you help me? Oh no, come in. Mama, who is it? It's a poor girl. Thank you. It was showing. No worries. Take it. You're just watching Mega Tub. Oh, thank you. Are you hungry? No, thanks. Okay. Paula, honey, we don't do that. Okay. Hmm. Hey, who is Eddie? I just saw her sister, so I just said that again for a couple of minutes. Oh yeah. Yeah, and let me give you a wig. She looks really ugly. I'll give her a wig. Thank you. Wait, you know this is my wig. Okay guys, so from now on, her hair color is the rarest. Sadly, her hair is rare, but I never covered it up. This is the opportunity. Oh really? Mine too. Oh, it's okay. This looks like a bunker. Yeah, babe. Let's go check if there's any people or it's abandoned. Yeah, babe. The elevator's still going. Oh, hey. Huh? Come in. Why are you covering your hair? Please don't. Oh. Ow! Ha. Ah! You thought you could get me attacked. Choo-choo, get him. Ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ah, I'm so sorry. Ah. Ah. Good boy, Choo-choo. It's okay, Mommy. Okay. Okay, guys, come back for part 2 of somebody has to go to the bunker because of a snowstorm. I might make the part 2 in just a couple of days, so yeah.